Welcome to part 7 of the Batmobile Tumbler. Today we're going to be doing the shock absorber rods and right steering bar. There's quite a lot of parts to this, as you can see. So let's make a start. We start off with step 1. We have part 7B and 2 7As. So on to step 2, we connect the 7As to the 7Bs using the UM screw. As usual, because it goes a UM screw is M is for metal, but we oil it. So put oil on the screw, screw it in. I tend to screw it out, screw it back in. Yeah, there's one. We do the same for the second one with a UM screw. Screw in, screw out. Step 4, so we're going to retrieve the right suspension that we've done from a previous part. From this you can see I've removed the tyre and the wheel just to make things a little bit easier. So we take part 7E as per drawing and 7D. You can see the lug with the right on it, so the little lug is on the outside. Through. That's correct. Then we take 7C. If you notice the R is there, on the R on the other side is upside down compared to that. Then you've got a flat edge there and a flat edge locates in there, and then you take a UM screw. So another UM screw, put it into oil. There, out a couple of turns, back in, and that's in. On to the next step. Right, we take the bulkhead from the previous steps, and then we take the suspension assembly, and you'll notice that there's a right, and one right is upside down. So it goes there, and that one locates on that. They then will be screwed together with some AM screws. So put one screw in the upper, one screw in the lower. Just check. Everything looks alright, and then I'll put the other two screws in. Well, see the 4 screws. Next we take the lower rod and we stick it into the shock there, and then we connect it to the lower fixing with a RP screw. So RP screw. There we are. Make sure we don't over tighten. Next we take the bar joint 7G and we insert there, and we'll put it together with another RP screw. See that? And then we'll attach the 6A, the bar joint, to there, and then we will put a fastener in there. So we fasten that with a UP screw. Next we have the right steering bar 7I, and we join it to 7H, and then we will screw it together with AP screws. One. Slacken them off slightly. Yeah. So we take the bulkhead and arrange it as shown. So we stick it through there. And we will connect it there with the EP screws. Find it easier if you just turn the steering rack that way, and then you can screw it in, then just slacken it off slightly. Same as that. Screw it just tight. Then slacken it off. Yeah, so that part's complete. Welcome to Batmobile Tumbler part 8, 9 and 10. I'm going to just skip through these very quickly because we've already done them in previous parts. So step 8 is the left front suspension, left disc brake. The step 9 is the outer inner rim and journal across the second front tyre. And then step 10 will be the second front wheel complete with hub, nut and washer.